Calling out boat owners. Sore back? Exhausted after a day of fishing? Don't just sit there. Take charge and upgrade to the new ProBax Orthopedic Seat by TEMPRESS. 8 out of 10 Americans experience lower back pain at some stage of their life, with many problems directly related to poor seat design, and U.S. boaters suffer more than most. Hours of poor posture while boating or fishing increases the chances of back pains, especially when you add in water chop and twisting. There is a direct connection between the seat you use, your fatigue levels, and the pain in your back. If you sit in a poorly designed seat, then you should expect to suffer from back pains. Cheap, poorly designed seats will lead to back pains. TEMPRESS has produced seats in the U.S. for people who fish, hunt, and boat since 1972, and now we have teamed up with leading U.S. medical experts to create the breakthrough and patented ProBax Orthopedic Boat Seat. ProBax seats are already widely used in aviation and truck seats and in auditorium, office, and conference seating. Now they are exclusively available to people who fish, hunt, and boat through TEMPRESS. This new boat seat is the only seat on the market clinically proven to provide increased and optimal back and body support. Look at the results of a 60-minute comfort study comparing the new ProBax Orthopedic Boat Seat against several competitors. The ProBax seat was the only one to have improved comfort ratings over time, critical for anyone spending long periods on the water. No matter your gender or weight, the pelvis must be oriented properly to eliminate postural stress. Better posture while sitting allows our blood to flow more freely, provides more oxygen to our body, and reduces the strains on your back. Improved body alignment in the ProBax Orthopedic Boat Seat reduces pressure on your spinal disc and restores your natural S-shaped spinal curve, the best to absorb repetitive wave and boat chop. Why spend $75 an hour at your chiropractor? Why miss a day's work laid up in bed? Why risk back problems? Reduce the chances of a lifetime of back pain by upgrading your boat seat. Ditch your old, cheap, imported seat and switch to a seat made in the USA, the ProBax Orthopedic Boat Seat from TEMPRESS. Happy and healthy boating, y'all!